How to fix Instagram story view count inaccuracy. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to fix Instagram story view count inaccuracy. The first thing you want to do is close the application completely. After that, relaunch the application. Now, check if your issue is fixed. If it is not fixed, you want to log out and log back in. For that, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on these three lines. Then scroll all the way down. Tap on log out. Tap on log out again. After that, enter your credentials and log back in. Now check if your issue has been fixed. If not, open up Play Store and search for Instagram. Here, if you find the update button, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. And with these steps, you will be able to fix the Instagram story view count inaccuracy. And that's it for this video. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.